Hello, so let's start today's drawing. For that I will do as usual one straight line, and I want body to be this way, so I'm doing one line over here. So this much I pick, so same thing I will pick this side, and I'm going to draw one kind of like a squarey rectangular shape, and in the middle I'm going to draw one plus sign. If you have a little bit this one bigger, leave it like that, we will erase later. Now this is the point where they are crossing, so I will start from here and I will go here. So we will go block by block, and I will connect with the arch over here. So I will start from here and I will pick the middle point or little bit on right hand side over here, and I will go smoothly. If it's going a little bit this side, that's totally fine. From here I will start this one. This is the middle point. I will go all the way up here, and this is the middle point, so I will connect both of them with the curvy line. Now from here it will go on the line, and this is the line little bit up over here, all the way up here. So I will curve here and I will go and make it kind of like a, if I will do it this way, it's kind of like a drop shape. Now this is the line. As you can see, I did a little bit drawing here. So this is skinny alphabet D or C or happy face, and the top is big alphabet U upside down, and then one eyebrow here, and this side just opposite. So this side is going to be small, like here on the bottom we did a small, here I will do on the top a little bit a small one, and then I will do big alphabet U here and one eyebrow here, and here I will do one tilted sad face. From here I'm going to draw one kind of like a bowl style or big happy face. So this is the crossing point over here. From here a little bit tilted or smiley over here, and I will do one triangular shape, and I will start from here a little bit down. I will do sad face over here and curvy, and then slightly I will go slightly. If you want, you can do straight over here like one single line, and this side I will do one sad face, and from here I will do one sad face again. Now we can pick one point next to this eye over here, and we are going to start from this corner of this triangle, and I will go and I will do one sad face, and this is another point over here next to, means on the top of this ear where it's ending. From here I'm going to draw one smiley, and then from here sad face. Same thing, I will draw one more over here, and then I'm going to erase this part, and I will start somewhere here. I will go and make an arch over here. From here it's coming here. I will do curvy line, here it's alphabet C. Go here and make a big happy face or smiley face. Now from here I will do one curvy line. So I will start from here. So this is my guideline, little bit down over here. I will start and I will tilt this one, and from here I will do smiley and one straight line, and over here sad face. Now from here it's kind of like alphabet V upside down, this one is touching here, so from here I will pull another one and I will do tilted like over here, and then it's a sad face, and then I will go and make it happy face over here. Another line over here. From here, the middle point for this line is here. From here I will do one curvy line, smiley, and we can start from here like one tilted line, or this line is touching here, so we can start from here, curve it. So don't go straight, little bit. If I will do straight line, it's little bit tilted here, and then over here I'm going to do smiley the way we did here, same thing, or a little bit straight, or doesn't matter. Now I will start a little bit up over here, a smiley face over here. And I can pick one point here and one point here. So, and third point over here. If you want a little bit longer, you can do longer. From here, I'm going to do one big smiley. So this one is here, a little bit high over here. I picked this one, so from here it's kind of like a dropping style side face, and here it's going to be a smiley. And I can do another line over here, like another smiley over here, and I can start from here. I can do this way. So they both are going the same direction. So I will adjust this one, and I will make this one a little bit down. And the way you really like to draw the eye, you can draw the eye the way you like it. Now here we can do some tilted lines or alphabet S style. So this is kind of a smiley and then sad face. Both sides I'm curving.